Hello and what's up guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification required on App Store. So if you face this kind of issue, so follow these steps to resolve this kind of issue very easily. So without wasting the time, let's start our video. So first of all, you just need to open your setting app and go to your Apple ID profile. So scroll down, here you can see media and purchases. So tap on this, you can see view account here. So again tap on this, wait for a second. So as you can see, here is a country or region. So tap on this. So wait for a second here. So here is you can see change country or region. So tap on this, and here you can select your country or region. So in my case, my country is Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan here. So as you can see, here is a term and condition. You need to view it firstly. So I was view it. So I will click on agree. So again click on agree. So as you can see, here is a two option, credit or debit card or none. So you need to select this none. So and you need to fill these requirements, address requirements. You need to put your street address, city or postal code and number. So in my case, the street address is 0.5, and my country name, my city name is Rahim Yar Khan, and here is a postal code. So you just need to open your Safari app, Safari browser, and you need to search your city postal code right here. So in my case, my city postal code is 64200. So I will put it and put my number here and done. So go back all the way and try to get any app from App Store. So scroll down, I want to get this Galaxy attack, so tap on get. So it take a few seconds. So as you can see, the app will be successfully installing. So if you have any issue, let me know in comment. Thanks for watching this video.